Hey, what's up, Gomez gang? Today we're going to talk about question 4 in our Unit 2 sample problems packet regarding a length and a width that are being increased and decreased by different amounts. Here we have the example where the original rug was an area of 108 square feet, and the new rug still maintains the same area, although it has different dimensions. Now, I need to figure out what length and width make up a 108 square foot area. And the easiest numbers that come to mind for me were 12 and 9. So I'm going to label my width as 12 feet and my length as 9 feet, which will get me to 108. In the problem, it states that the width is being increased by 25%. So there is an increase of 25% of 12 feet. We know that 25% is the same thing as 1/4 or a quarter, and 1/4 of 12 is equal to 3 feet. So I'm adding 3 feet onto the already 12 feet in the original to get a new width of 15 feet. Now the question is asking me, how much am I decreasing my 9-foot length in my original to get to my length in my new? Again, they both have the same area of 108 square feet. So I need to determine what my width would be if I multiply 15 by W to get to 108. So 15W equals 108, so I can determine my width. If I divide both sides by 15, I will get to W is equal to this value right here, 108 divided by 15. Now for some of us, that may not be the easiest thing in the world to do. So we are going to try and solve that using long division. We need to determine how many times 105 goes into 108. Now I know that 15 times 6 is 90, but I can still fit another group of 15 in there to get to 105. Therefore, 15 times 7 is equal to 105. There's a remainder of 3. Now 15 doesn't go into 3, but we can bring down the 0 once we put a decimal, and 15 does go into 30 2 times. You subtract 30, and we know that there is no remainder, meaning 7.2 is the answer that I'm looking for, my new width. Now that is not what the question is asking. The question is asking you, what was the percent decrease from my original to my new? And when we're talking about percent change, or particularly percent decrease, we know that we have a formula. And that formula is new minus original over the original times 100. Because this will just get you to a decimal, and I want to get it to a percentage, which is why the multiply by 100 is there. Now my new is 7.2. My original was 9 feet, and it is over 9 feet. 7.2 minus 9 is negative 1.8 over 9 is what I'm at. Now I want to get this, of course, to a fraction. When I simplify it, it will be negative 1/5 because I know 1.8 goes into 9 5 times. Negative 1/5, I need to get into a percentage, so I have a 20% decrease.